as the question says, a neutron having kinetic energy 12.5 electron volts collides with a hydrogen atom at rest. Means there is a hydrogen atom which is having velocity 0 and a neutron comes and strikes it. Neglect the difference in mass between the neutron and the hydrogen atom, means both are having the masses m, and assume that the neutron does not leave its line of motion, a 1D motion. Find the possible kinetic energies of the neutrons after the event. Now friends, they have not given us any coefficient of restitution. So we will assume it to be an ideal case, which means we will be considering it an elastic collision. And if it is an elastic collision and the masses of both the bodies is equal, then we know that in elastic collision, when masses are equal, velocities are actually interchanged. So what will be happening over here is that this neutron will take the velocity of this hydrogen, while hydrogen will take the velocity of this neutron. So this neutron will be having the velocity 0 after the event, that is, the kinetic energy of the neutron will become 0. This is what is actually asked in the question. And in the other case, the energy of the hydrogen will become equal to 12.5 electron volts, and it will be the kinetic energy, and we can find the corresponding velocity. But we need not to find that in this question at least.